Hey there, Luke with Canix here. Today we're going to be covering an exciting new update to Canix's manufacturing module, Bulk Edit Inputs. This action has now been added to all manufacturing runs to quickly edit each of your source items in one modal instead of going item by item by item by item. This allows for bulk redistribution and bulk edits. This button will be enabled once at least one output package has been added to the run. We see we have this run with two packages added as the outputs. I have a source package of distillate and then some non-cannabis inventory added here. When we go to bulk edit the inputs, we are now brought to a new modal which displays all of our inputs in one screen. Here we can quickly edit all of the quantities if we would like and redistribute them in one swoop. Let's say in this case, I actually need twice the amount of distillate than I had allocated previously. We can simply come here and say, okay, I need 56 grams instead, and I want to make sure I redistribute all of these inputs across my outputs. Let's say we need double the blueberry flavoring, double the sugar here, and 50 more bags need to be used. We can say we'll redistribute all of these inputs, save, and then Canix will run that redistribution across the outputs for us quickly and efficiently. Now we can quickly go and submit. We'll see our inputs are correct. And instead of going item by item, Canix did this for us in that one bulk edit action. Thank you for watching, and I hope this is helpful.